It's mail time. We got a package from a fan in the mail today, and we are going to open it and see what's inside. I have no idea what it is, but I'm excited, so let's go. Snip, snip. Alright, ooh. Fancy little velvet container here. This is interesting. Let's see what's inside. It's a stick, and ooh, look what we got, guys. This is so cool. I can't wait to use this on the stream. Let's test it out. That's so cool. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I've never actually had one, so I'm super stoked to use this. Thank you so much to our fan that sent this. This is going to be wicked cool in the stream. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for thinking of me and supporting me. I appreciate you more than you know. And I'll see you guys in the stream with our new item. Bye, everybody.